Welcome my dear students, welcome on my channel Physics module once again, and today our topic is electric dipole অথবা তড়িৎ দ্বিমেরু. Okay, and before we start with the topic I want to say one thing, যে আমার চ্যানেলে নতুন আছো তোমরা প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, because lot of views coming but you are not subscribing, you are just watching the video and after that you are leaving the channel. So please subscribe, it will make me feel good, and be with me till the video ends. What is electric dipole? Let me tell you first. Electric dipole is when you place two similar amount of charges but in opposite polarity. Means one charge is negative, one charge is positive, but the magnitude of the charge is equal. That means one is q, one is minus q, and they are placed at a distance, at a small distance, which is denoted by 2l. That arrangement is called electric dipole বা তড়িৎ দ্বিমেরু. তাহলে আরেকবার বলে দিই, বাংলায় বলে দিই একটু. তড়িৎ দ্বিমেরু কি, দুটো ইকুয়াল অ্যামাউন্টের চার্জকে অপোজিট পোলারিটির হতে হবে, মানে একটা পজিটিভ একটা নেগেটিভ, মানে +5 হলে আনাদার ওয়ান শুড বি -5, অ্যান্ড যখন এই দুটো চার্জকে একটা স্মল ডিস্টেন্সে প্লেস করে রেখে দিচ্ছ, দ্যাট অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট অল টুগেদার ইজ কল্ড ইলেকট্রিক ডাইপোল বা তড়িৎ দ্বিমেরু. তো একটু ড্র করে দেখিয়ে দিই কীরকম দেখতে হয় তড়িৎ দ্বিমেরু. ইলেকট্রিক ডাইপোল উইল লুক লাইক there is minus q, one charge, another charge is placed at plus q, and the distance between them is 2l. Okay, the distance is taken as 2l and this one is plus q. So electric dipole will have an expression of, it is denoted by p. Okay, electric dipole is denoted by p. It will have an expression of just the product of this distance and the charge. So it will be 2l into q. That means 2lq is the amount of electric dipole. And let me tell you one thing, electric dipole is a vector quantity. Electric dipole is a vector quantity. That means it has a magnitude. From this expression we can see that it has a magnitude, but it will also have a direction, and it will be from negative to positive charge. From negative to positive charge will be its direction. So it is vector quantity, and its unit will be charge into distance. That means coulomb into meter. That is coulomb meter is its unit. Okay, understood? Now we have to consider two different cases that how electric dipole is calculated. Okay, ইলেকট্রিক ডাইপোল বা তড়িৎ দ্বিমেরু ক্যালকুলেট করার জন্য আমাদের দুটো ডিফারেন্ট কেস কনসিডার করতে হবে. ওয়ান ইজ ফর আ পয়েন্ট পি which is situated on the axis of this dipole, and another one is for a point P which is situated on the perpendicular bisector of the dipole. We have to now consider the first case, which is to calculate the electric dipole or electric field intensity due to this dipole. Electric field intensity due to this dipole for a point P. For first case is for a point P on the axis of dipole. Okay, এই দ্বিমেরুটার axis কি? What should be the axis of this dipole? It should be like this. Let's say this is the axis of the dipole, and a point P is placed at this position. Okay, we have to calculate the electric fields for this dipole on this point P. Okay, so first we have to calculate the electric potential, মানে তড়িৎ বিভব. Electric potential calculate করতে হবে. We know that electric potential is simply 1/4 pi epsilon 0. This is epsilon 0. This epsilon is electric permeability at space. Electric permeability of space, this is epsilon. Okay, epsilon. Those who don't know what is epsilon বা epsilon এর ব্যাপারে আরো ডিটেইলি জানতে হলে I will make a video on electric field. So do comment me for this video in the comment section that should I make a video on electric field and electric charges. Okay, তো epsilon হচ্ছে ইলেকট্রিক পারমিয়াবিলিটি বা তড়িৎ ভেদ্যতা. ওকে, তড়িৎ ভেদ্যতা, শূন্য মাধ্যমে তড়িৎ ভেদ্যতা ইনটু amount of charge বা আধান q by distance. Okay, charge by distance is the expression for electric potential. So now we have to calculate electric potential for two different charges. One is for this positive charge, another one for this negative charge. So let's say this position is B and this position is A. Okay, so for A position's positive charge, the potential on P point will be VA and its expression will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into plus Q, okay, as the charge is plus Q at position A, by what is the distance, what are the distance dimensions for this diagram. Let's say this P point is placed at R distance from the center of the dipole. Okay, ডাইপোলের মধ্যবিন্দু থেকে r distance দূরে রয়েছে. So this part will become L, this part will become L, this is L. This entire distance is r plus L, isn't it? It is r plus L, as because this much is L and it is r, so it is from here to up to here is r plus L, and this distance becomes r minus L. Okay, these are the distances of plus Q and minus Q charges from point P. So now what will happen? For positive charge, the potential, electric potential বা তড়িৎ বিভব হবে at point P will be Q by distance. So distance for point from point A is r minus L. Okay, and similarly for electric potential for the point B, which is minus Q charge, will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into minus of Q, and the distance is total distance is r plus L. Okay, so we have to calculate the net potential. What will be the net potential? Net potential V net will be VA plus VB, which is 1 by taking 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, এই দুটোকে প্লাস করতে হবে, these two will be added, so this will be taken as common. Okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 common, Q by r minus L minus Q by r plus L. Okay, this will be the expression for net potential. So from here we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, LCM is r minus L into r plus L, so it will become a plus b into a minus b, r minus L. I will change the term in the next step. Okay, r plus L, and so Q into r plus L and r minus L, you will have an expression like Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into this one after multiplying will become only 2L. We will have only 2L after multiplying these two, and it will be r square minus L square, as I have said earlier. See carefully, this upper part is becoming 2LQ, and we have just learned that the expression for electric dipole is 2LQ, isn't it? So this upper portion is becoming P, which is electric dipole, and 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square minus L square. Now there is an assumption like if this L is very less than, as I have said in the definition of electric dipole, that two charges will be placed at a small distance, মানে দুটো চার্জকে equal and opposite চার্জকে একটা small distance এ place করতে হবে, তার মানে this L will be automatically very low or very less than this R. This R distance will be very high than L. So if this happens, if R is very greater than L is very small, I have just said. So what will be the expression? What will be the final expression of this potential? V net will be P by 4 pi epsilon 0 into into r square. Okay, this L square will be neglected, only r square will be there. Okay, so now we have to calculate the electric field's value for these two charges. So for calculating electric potential and electric field, there is similar kind of expression, only the difference is in case of electric potential, this expression becomes q by distance square. Okay, this expression becomes q by distance square. So electric field net will be similar like electric potential. It will be like E1 plus E2, E1 for the positive charge, E2 for the negative charge. For the positive charge, E1's expression will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q is the positive charge and distance is r minus L whole square, minus, as because the for E2 the charge is minus q, it will become minus, although it is written plus over here. এখানে প্লাস থাকলেও মাইনাস কিউ চার্জের জন্য এখানটা মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে ইলেকট্রিক পোটেনশিয়াল বা ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড বা তড়িৎ ক্ষেত্রের এক্সপ্রেশনের জন্য ফর দিস মাইনাস কিউ চার্জ। সো E2 হবে সিমিলারলি 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into the distance between B and P. So the distance is, charge is q and the distance is r plus L whole square. So now we have to take common q by 4 pi epsilon 0 common nilam. Now the expression will be 1 by r minus L whole square minus 1 by r plus L whole square. So we have to solve this. Solve করলে কি পাবো 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 থাকবে and this upper value will be r plus L whole square minus r minus L whole square. নিচটায় পাবো r square minus L square whole square. Okay, it will be r square minus L square whole square. So now further calculating this, see this upper value, this numerator is becoming 4ab, isn't it? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. This is the expression of 4ab. So q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 4 into a is r, b is L, and here it is r square minus L square whole square. So now the upper portion is 4 pi rl cube. It is 4 ql into r. We can divide it into 2l cube into 2r, isn't it? 2l cube into 2r, and this 2l cube will become p. This 2l cube will become p, electric dipolar expression. This is the expression for electric dipole, which is 2l cube. So we can write 2pr in the place of numerator. We can write 2pr in the place of numerator. We will write this. Okay, so this expression is becoming 2pr by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square minus L square whole square. Okay, now similarly what I have done in case of electric potential, we have to take this r as very greater than this L. L is very small, as I have mentioned that this distance will be very small. So if we neglect, if r is very greater than L, this value, this expression will become E net will become 2pr by 4 pi epsilon 0 into, if you neglect this L, so it will be r to the power 4, and by cancelling 1r here and 1r from here, we will get 2p by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r cube. Okay, so we can see that electric field is inversely proportional to the cube of distance. Electric field is inversely proportional to the cube of distance in this case, isn't it? And this drawing or this arrangement where the point is taken on the axis of the dipole, this case is called end on position. Okay, this is called end on position for electric dipole. So this is the expression for E net for end on position. This is the expression. Now we have to know what about the position where the point P, this point P is at the perpendicular bisector of this dipole. Okay, we have to just now check it out.